To use Class Dojo, go to classdojo.com and sign in as a teacher. From there, you'll be taken to all of your classes that you have, and if you want to do a new class, you can hit this new class button, and they also have the activity corner on this part. Once you are on this part, go to your classroom, and there you'll see all your students and then the whole class. To give positive reinforcements, you can click on either an individual student and give them a reward, or if the whole class is doing good, you can give the whole class a reward. To look at the class story, go to the Class Story tab, and here you can post anything from videos to files, even events, onto your storyboard so families and other teachers can see what your class is doing. To message parents and families or even students, go to Messages tab up here, and then you can connect with parents and turn on your class chat so that you can even talk to every single student at once and not just one individually. On the left sidebar, you even have other tabs that'll take you straight to your school story where you can see what's happening at your school. You can see your school calendar where you can even create events and show schools what you're doing. You can even message other staff members and look at the school directory. To see the whole class report, go up to Options and go to View Reports. Here you'll find the donut that shows every single report and positive reinforcement you've seen and given. At the bottom of your screen, there are a bunch of tabs that will help you with your education tools. In the toolkit, you even have fun things like timers, group maker, and music. If you ever need support or help, there's a support tab down here that you can click and go to their FAQs and help page. Overall, Class Dojo is a great way to connect to families, students, and other teachers. Class Dojo also helps with rewarding good behavior and even bad behavior.